Websites rank high on Google search engines when they are designed and optimized to be useful, trustworthy, and easily accessible to users. Achieving a top position does not happen by chance. It is the result of several key factors that focus on improving user experience, content quality, and the technical aspects of the site. The most important of these factors include choosing the right keywords, creating valuable and engaging content, optimizing the site's technical performance, acquiring links from reputable websites, and providing an excellent user experience, along with continuously monitoring and analyzing performance. Keywords. Choose keywords that people are actually searching for. Make sure they are relevant to your topic and not too competitive. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to find the right keywords. High quality, useful content. Content is king on Google. It should be original and not copied from other sites, answering a question or solving a visitor's problem. Well structured with headings, H1, H2, H3, lists, images, and videos if possible. Long enough to cover the topic thoroughly, not just a short paragraph. Technical SEO. Page loading speed should be fast. The website must be mobile-friendly, responsive. URLs should be clear and easy to read. Use meta title and meta description with the target keyword in an attractive way. Have sitemap.xml and robots.txt for Google crawling. Backlinks and internal links. Backlinks. Links from trustworthy websites pointing to your site increases credibility with Google. Internal links. Links between pages on your site helps Google understand your site structure and navigate it. User experience, UX. Simple and clean website design. Easy navigation between pages. Clear and readable content. Share. Social signals. Share content on social media platforms. Engagement like comments, shares, and likes. Google sees this as a sign of content importance. Monitoring and analysis. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Identify pages that perform well and improve the ones that need optimization.